Keep it steady. Guide it to the right. Copy that. Slowly lowering.
The reading is stable here. We've confirmed the integrity. Check the next section to be sure.
Keep your distance. Watch the heat. Understood!
Hold at current elevation. Holding. Approaching station alignment. Confirmed. Lowering sequence initiated.
The tolerances are critical in this section.
Yeah.
We're correlating that with the latest sensor data from the facility.
Let's analyze the temperature fluctuations here.
The rotation speed is steady, commencing scan sequence alpha.
Confirmed. Data is transmitting. All systems nominal.
All right, lowering sequence engaged. Steady now. 5 millimeters south. Rotate clockwise 1 degree. Steady. Contact.
Pressure check confirmed. Approaching target threshold. Holding steady, monitoring seal integrity. 6,000 psi. Approaching critical.
Alignment check complete. Ready for final weld. Confirmed. Engaging heat sequence. Proceed.
The thermal transfer at this point is exceeding the threshold. I'm running the secondary calculation now.
Yep.
Check the stress data on panel 3. Is it correlating?
Keep it steady, watching the alignment.
Checking the levels now.
Looks good. Inch forward slowly.
The preliminary readouts are green.
Initiate the full scan protocol.
Reading stable. Proceeding.
The system has successfully mapped the critical stress points. The hull integrity analysis is showing a steady improvement in the sector.
Okay, pressure test confirmed. Verified.
Seal integrity looks good on Section 4.
Agreed. Final sign-off.
Coming into the cradle now. Clear on the left side. And seated. All clear.
All right, everyone, looking good. Ready? Perfect. Perfect. Amazing work, team. Yeah. Let's get this done. Smile. Engaging actuators. Pressure check. Holding steady at 20 kilopascals. Looking good. Proceed.
The real-time data aligns precisely with our predictions.
Excellent. That confirms our model's accuracy.
Final review complete. Let's make it official.
Signature confirms everything is ready.
A successful milestone, team. Well done.
Alignment confirmed.
Engaging locks.
Panel secure.
Keep it steady. Slow down. Lower. Just a bit more. Stop. Secure it now. We're good.
Route is clear, but position the escort vehicles at these junctions.
Are the oversized permits finalized for the load?
Yes, confirmed. We are set.